Welcome to this quick setup guide for level of interest on ATAS. First, download the zip file for ATAS from your backend under level of interest. Unzip the file. It includes the indicator file DLL inside the stable folder for the ATAS stable version, the indicator file DLL inside the latest folder for the ATAS latest version, a step-by-step guide, the LOI color settings, and a link to this tutorial. Next, open your ATAS software, open a chart of the market you subscribed LOI for, and click on the Indicators button on the upper bar. In the following window, navigate to the lower left corner and click on this button. In the File Explorer, search for the DLL file you just downloaded and choose the right one for your ATAS version, stable or latest. Under normal circumstances, you find it in the Downloads directory. Make a double click on the DLL file. Back in the Indicators window, click on Custom and then double-click on the newly added Level of Interest indicator to add it to your chart. Open the indicator settings and enter your license key. ATAS will now automatically load your subscribed markets and display the LOI levels directly in your chart. Level of interest. See what matters.